Actually, it's not a bad market. If you look at our fourth quarter, our volumes are up 3%. Our sales at constant currency are up 4%. Our profitability year on year is up 390 basis points. So actually, things are heading in the right direction. You referred to hyperinflation in Turkey and Argentina. That happens to be about 4% of our company. And, IFRS works in mysterious ways, but overall, it's a good quarter.
And yeah, I look at various elements of the balance sheet, decorative paints in the fourth quarter, year on year, under a lot of pressure. Performance coatings under a bit of pressure as well. I mean, it just seems to, and the margins as well, looks like it's EBIT margin down 40 basis points, is that, compared with the 80 basis points compared with many estimates?
Actually, if you look at the businesses that you named, decorative paints, volumes are up 2% in Europe in the fourth quarter. The market flattened out in the middle of the year, and it's been rebounding since. Actually, profitability is going up across all our deco and coating businesses. So it's, this is not a question of numbers going in the wrong direction. They're actually going in the right direction. They can be sometimes a bit short of expectations because, the market moves at a certain rate. But overall, profitability for the quarter is up 390 basis points. For the year, it's up 280 basis points. And we delivered a full year where volumes have flattened out, which is ahead of the market. So look at our guidance for next year. Volumes up, profitability up, profits up. There's not that many sectors that can say that.
Greg, how do we think about the trigger of the monetary policy cycle? We were just talking about the home building market, a consolidation that's taking place there. We know there's not been a lot of transactions across the UK, for instance, and across other economies. There's been sort of uncertainty around when we're going to see those rate cuts. When we get them, is that a trigger for more usage of paint, at least for the decorative purposes of a lot of homeowners?
I think it's a really interesting question because people have a tendency to confuse building materials and paints and coatings. If you take our decorative paints business in Europe, I think about 4% of that business is related to new home construction. I mean, essentially, the business worldwide and also in Europe is essentially a renovation business. So, rates matter, but not as much as people think. What matters is that if you can't transact, you can't move, you can't build, then maybe you'll renovate what you currently have. And this is what we're seeing. Monetary will be more significant in terms of reopening the M&A market, which has been closed.